If Steam keeps greeting you with ads or promotional pop-ups every time it launches, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable startup ads on Steam so you can open the app faster, avoid the annoying news or what's new window, and go straight to your games instead of landing on the store page. This is a quick and simple Steam settings change that can make your startup experience much cleaner. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is fully loaded, look to the top left corner of the app and click Steam. This opens the main menu where Steam keeps all of its settings and preferences. From here, select Settings. On some versions of Steam, you may see Preferences instead, but it works the same way. After the Settings window opens, click Interface in the left-hand menu. This is where Steam controls how it looks and how it behaves when you launch it. Now scroll down through the interface settings until you reach the bottom of the list. You're looking for the option that says, notify me about additions or changes to my games, new releases, and upcoming releases. This is the setting that triggers the floating startup news pop-up that many people consider a kind of ad. To disable it, simply toggle that option off. Once it's turned off, Steam should stop showing that promotional news window when you open the app. Next, we'll change where Steam opens at startup. By default, Steam often launches right to the store page, and that can feel like another giant ad every time you start the app. To fix that, stay in the same interface settings section and look for the startup location dropdown. Click the drop-down menu and you should see a few options. Choose Library instead of Store. This tells Steam to open directly to your game library when you launch it, which is much cleaner and more useful if you mostly just want to play your games. After you've made both changes, click OK or simply close the settings window to save everything. That's it. The next time you open Steam, it should skip the store page and head straight to your library, while also reducing or removing the startup news pop-up. It's a small adjustment, but it makes Steam feel a lot less cluttered and a lot more focused on your games. If you want an even smoother experience, I recommend double-checking these settings anytime Steam updates, because sometimes app updates can reset preferences or move menu items around slightly. But for most users, this one-time change is enough to stop the startup ads and make Steam launch the way you want it to. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, helpful fixes, and software guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner Steam startup every time you log in.